America in the 1800s was a land of pioneers, explorers, and dreamers. A place where ambition and determination pushed men and women to create new lives in untamed lands. Vast forests, rivers, and open plains stretched across the continent, offering opportunity, but also mystery. Amid this age of expansion, some structures were built that defy explanation, architectural marvels that seem almost impossible given the tools and technology of the time. Even today, historians study these buildings with wonder and curiosity, asking the same question: who really built them, and how did they accomplish such feats without modern machines or equipment? In California stands the Winchester Mystery House, a sprawling mansion unlike any other. Constructed under the direction of Sarah Winchester, this labyrinthine structure grew continuously for 38 years, as if guided by an unseen hand. Inside, the hallways twist and turn, staircases lead to nowhere, and doors open into walls. Each room is a puzzle, a piece of a design that seems impossible to understand. Historians and architects alike have examined its blueprints, yet many questions remain. How could such a complex building be constructed in the late 1800s with only hand tools and simple techniques? Some whisper that Sarah Winchester was guided by spirits, while others insist it was her singular vision, determination, and obsession that shaped this extraordinary home. The Biltmore Estate in North Carolina is another marvel of the 19th century, a mansion of immense size and unparalleled craftsmanship. Spanning 175,000 square feet, the building features intricate hand-carved ceilings, grand staircases, and detailed woodwork throughout. Every piece tells a story of extraordinary skill, patience, and vision. Craftsmen worked tirelessly, relying solely on their hands and traditional tools, bringing to life a structure that rivals any modern architectural achievement. The gardens surrounding the estate are equally impressive, perfectly planned and maintained to complement the grandeur of the house. Even today, visitors and historians alike are amazed at how such precision and beauty were achieved in an era long before modern technology. In an age before cranes, power tools, and heavy machinery, builders relied on sheer human effort, ingenuity, and cooperation. Timber was carried by hand, bricks were laid one by one, and every joint, carving, and detail was painstakingly crafted. Roofs were raised using pulleys and scaffolding, while teams of skilled laborers coordinated each movement with remarkable precision. Watching these structures today, one cannot help but wonder, how did they manage to construct such elaborate buildings, often in record time, using only the technology of the era? It is a testament not only to human skill, but to the vision and determination of those who dreamed bigger than anyone else dared to imagine. Before the European settlers arrived, ancient civilizations in North America built monumental structures that continue to baffle scholars. The Cahokia Mounds in Illinois are among the largest and most sophisticated examples. These massive earthworks were constructed with incredible precision. Their circular plazas and towering mounds perfectly aligned with the sun, moon, and stars. The scale is breathtaking. Some of the largest mounds would require thousands of workers and decades to complete, even with modern equipment. Who were these builders, and how did they move massive amounts of earth and stone without the benefit of cranes, trucks, or modern engineering? Every year, archaeologists study the site, uncovering clues, yet the full story remains shrouded in mystery, reminding us that human achievement can sometimes appear truly impossible. Across America in the 1800s, countless buildings rose that continue to inspire awe today. Gravity-defying staircases, towers that seem to reach the clouds, and mansions adorned with intricate carvings, all constructed with precision that challenges our understanding. Some claim that knowledge of lost techniques allowed these feats, while others suggest inspiration from secret societies or forgotten methods passed down through generations. From churches to bridges, estates to public buildings, each structure reflects an ambition and skill that seems almost supernatural when viewed through the lens of modern technology. Observing them, one can sense the dedication, creativity, and sometimes obsession that drove these builders to achieve what many would consider impossible. Even today, architects, historians, and engineers examine these buildings with a mix of admiration and disbelief. They study the blueprints, examine the carvings, and measure the dimensions, trying to understand how these creations were brought to life. Without cranes or electric tools, the precision achieved is remarkable. Some experts speculate about unknown techniques, tools that have been lost to history, or methods so advanced they seem ahead of their time. Others insist that it was human ingenuity, determination, and skill that accomplished the impossible. Regardless of the explanation, these structures continue to inspire, challenge, and fascinate everyone who encounters them. The mystery surrounding these 19th century structures has given rise to countless theories. Some claim that alien visitors may have imparted knowledge, while others believe secret societies carefully guided the construction through hidden wisdom. Yet many experts argue that the simplest answer is often the most accurate. Skilled craftsmen, driven by vision and determination, created these wonders through patience, intelligence, and hard work. Whatever the truth may be, the buildings endure as monuments to human creativity, imagination, and the pursuit of the extraordinary. They remind us that even in a time of limited technology, humans can achieve what seems impossible. Impossible buildings, timeless mysteries. Across America, the 1800s produced architectural marvels that defy explanation. Who built them? How were they built? Perhaps the answers lie somewhere between history and legend, between fact and imagination. These structures stand not only as buildings, but as monuments to human ambition, creativity, and perseverance. Every stone, every beam, every intricate detail tells a story of dedication, skill, and the desire to leave a mark that will endure for centuries. The impossible remains, and it continues to inspire awe in all who witness